In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Ninja coffee maker when it's not brewing with a simple step-by-step guide. Let's get your coffee flowing again. First, check that your coffee maker is plugged in properly and the power is on. Sometimes the simplest fix is just making sure it's connected. Next, make sure there's enough water in the reservoir. If the water level is too low, the machine won't start brewing. Check that the brew basket is properly seated and the filter is in place. If the basket isn't positioned right, the machine won't brew. Clean the coffee maker if it's clogged. Run a cycle with just water and vinegar to remove any mineral buildup that might block the water flow. Also, inspect the carafe to ensure it's placed correctly on the warming plate. Some models won't brew if the carafe isn't detected. If the machine still won't brew, try resetting it by unplugging it for a few minutes, then plugging it back in. If none of these steps work, there could be a mechanical issue, and contacting Ninja customer support or a technician might be necessary. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more easy appliance fixes.